Alright guys, this is going to be a quick video of a garage tour / parts for the 6.0 LY6. And also a tool cart tour brought to you by me. So let's go ahead and get into the parts real quick. Right now you're looking at the Wiseco Performance Forged Pistons. These are dome topped. This is a Texas Speed cam with springs, timing chain, and all the fixings. LS3 fuel rail, cam timing, performance oil pump, ARP head studs, ARP studs. That's going to be the gasket for the headers. This is going to be the LS3 intake with the Phytech 92mm throttle body. And here's the iron block 6.0 that we're converting to an LS3. And over here are the heads, some shorty headers right there. These are the heads that I'm working on porting. These are before and these are after. Smoothed them out, rounded everything off, made everything look all pretty. So that's what I'm doing there. And this right here is going to be the Dirty Dingoes accessory kit. And I'm going to do a review or an unboxing of all these parts when it comes time. What we're also putting is the Holley Terminator X right there. This is what we're putting in for the controller for the car. These are the rods. That's the old cam. That's the old oil pump. And then this is what you guys have all come to see. My toolbox tour. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys. And this is a US General 30-inch 5-drawer tool cart. So as you can see, I got the white one just because I think it looks fancy. It does look pretty good, honestly, in my opinion. Then also got the other magnetic tray. This is supposed to be for spray cans, but I put a Milwaukee drill and a rigid light in there. And you can see I put magnets there for my Milwaukee picks. You see my gloves on the wall. I made a little toilet paper, not toilet paper, I made a little paper towel dispenser. And let's go ahead and open it up, shall we? So let me put some light over there. So as you can see, I'm a little bit of a Milwaukee fanboy. So I got the Milwaukee screwdrivers, the Milwaukee M18 high torque fuel 1/2-inch driver with 2 batteries. And then I got the Milwaukee 3/8 stubby impact, 3/8 driver or ratchet, electric ratchet. I got the Dremel or the Milwaukee Dremel. And I got 2 digital torque wrench, 1 1/2-inch, 1 3/8, and a little Milwaukee light right there. So you can see all my batteries in the back, and then you can see some random screwdrivers there. And these are all my ratchets. This is going to be my 1/2-inch snap-on that I actually found in the street. So I can't complain about that. It's a legit snap-on. See if I get a focus on it. Yep, right there, snap-on. Found it right there in the driveway at work, or at home. Then I got a replacement red, Easy Red. I got a replacement Easy Red Flex 1/2-inch driver. And I got another Flex head right here. This one is going to be by Cobalt. This one is Tecton. 3/8 driver, or 3/8 ratchet. And let's go on to the next drawers. All right, so let's go on to the next drawers. This is gonna be for all my pliers, Allen keys, and stuff like that. Nice, neat, organized. Again, this is still new, so of course it's gonna look all beautiful and organized and stuff. So this is just gonna be my overflow sockets and wrenches and adapters, swivel heads, stuff like that. Then come to the other drawer. This is gonna be for some of my specialty tools. So you have your multimeter, wire strippers, your flex head for the Dremel, some hole saws right there, drill bits in that box, and this is going to be a crank pulley puller kit. And I think I already pulled this one. Yeah, this is going to be the overflow. So here is going to be where my wrenches are. So you can see they're cobalt on one side, and then these are the cobalt mechanic series ones right there. These are metric and standard. These are my Milwaukee vice grips. Some random crescent wrenches. And this is a drawer I know everybody wants to see. So I know this is a drawer everybody wants to see. So here is my LED mod. So here is my LED modded drawer that you could softly see the light around the edges. Right there. Can't really see with this light on, but I'll make sure to turn the lights off so you can see better. But these are all my metrics over here on the left. In orange, these socket trays are from Westling Machine. These are absolutely gorgeous, machined from billet socket trays. Absolutely gorgeous. I cannot complain about that. And on the green trays, these are my SAEs. These are going to be my 1/2 inch right there. These are going to be my 3/8. These are my short 3/8. Same with over here. I mean 3/8 short, 3/8 deep, and then 1/2 inch shallow socket set in the back. These are going to be the 12 points. 12 points are going to be Tecton, and the 6 points are going to be Icon. And then the impact sockets are all going to be Tecton as well. Same on both sides. I kind of like to go with everything that's the same, only because my OCD goes crazy like that. So you see it turns off once you close it. At the drawer here in a second with the lights off, or one of the lights off so you can see better when the light comes on. That's my Milwaukee saw charger. This is going to be my bearing pullers right there in the red box, and this is going to be my Milwaukee heat shrink / adapters and so on and so forth for electrical. So